still.
Yeah.
One size. Looking more narrow in the evening.
Yeah. So that cheese tasted weird. Why'd you order them then?
Why did you order them then?
Well, it was the wrong pizza,
Nice
knowing
looking
her.
narrow again.
I'm meowing for
What's his name
attention.
on tonight? I don't think so.
We're still on tonight, is it?
Oh, I think that is, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure that's on, yeah.
Only adverts again.
Boris. Communicative general. Communication.
Oh, suckers. Or darlings.
Don't know
But so they're gullible, saying they're like a sucker.
Yeah.
Oh, that must be choice. That's their baby ones. And if they're all big, because I thought they're coming all sizes. I mean, they do. I mean, you know, the ones you know, as I see, you know,
what's on in a minute.
all different sizes. But I mean, I don't know if they're usually big Savannah cats or not.
Stretch out. Oh, I think
Some about a foot long, they look.
Yeah, they are big like Diane's cats, you know. Very big cats. That's the biggest domesticated cat, she said he is, Otto. One of the biggest domesticated cats. Size-wise.
I'm watching the raccoons and that, so I've got a pet raccoon as well.
Yeah, beast, aren't they? Sweet, aren't they, some of them?
That's working all right. Oh, what's going on? What's squeaking that one? Oh, bless them.
Little squeaker.
Yeah.
Little squeakers, aren't they, Joyce? Tired at the moment a bit.
Ah, sweet little souls.
Later on.
2 or 3 of them meowing at once and that. Oh, you can do perhaps about 1,000 or more for some of them.
Oh, you can pay quite a few.
It's not Fritz there, no, not, you know.
Quite a few hundreds for some cats, even.
We're not doing a Fritz there, no.
Thousands, quite.
That's right. Oh, you can, some dogs can't you? Pay thousands sometimes.
You can pay hundreds, but...
Oh, look a little tiger bird. Size that one that woman's holding.
Yeah.
Over a foot long, like a baby tiger. I didn't know some cats very rarely can be that big. Don't you ever said about some wild cats before?
Some cats are very...
Yeah, I mean different Savannah cats.
Domesticated cats, aren't they?
Yeah, they can be about the size of a baby
they
tiger.
Can be very big, yeah.
Like normal cats, some big cats look tiny. Otto.
Cat,
About 3 times the size or more, some normal cats.
Normal cats, they can be. Still be bigger than them.
Look at them, look, black and white one, little spots. Like a Dalmatian dog and that, little black and white spots.
I know, massive, some of them.
I didn't know they could be as they're beautiful colours as that.
Yeah, of course they can, yeah. Of course they can.
Quite so many colours. Normal cats, I didn't know these Savannah cats.
Oh, there is. There's all sorts of breeds of cats. Yeah. Charge my phone up in a minute.
Alright, Jazz.
Tired at the moment, Jess. Do some things later and get some of these things.
Oh, a couple of cats kiss each other and then each other.
Kitchen, and a lot more in that kitchen as well. Be in that hall, buddy.
Oh, that's baby. It's baby, that cat.
Rubbish is
Yeah.
out, eh?
Oh.
That's as well a bit. That the raging one. Kick for a minute, just for a while.
The most expensive pet in the world, it says. Largest cat breed, F1 Savannah. Follow us on Instagram, yeah. Oh, little tiger, look, that one there, look.
Yeah, they are.
Spots on them, they're beautiful.
Oh, no, they are tigers.
Like she would say, they're lovely. They can be,
Tigers, aren't
you know, very handsome, particularly, is it?
Their DNA, isn't it?
Big Savannah cat has a big cat meow.
They're cousins of the tigers, aren't
That one and that. Bit odd
they?
picture quality for a minute. See him? Him or
Yeah,
her?
they're massive, I know, they are.
Size of him, it's beautiful.
They are, they're very big.
Jazz you like him, wouldn't she? I like Jazz. Do you know what they look like before, Savannah cats, before you saw them?
I think so, yeah, I think I've seen them.
I know you've seen other Siamese cats, haven't you,
Yeah.
ones? Handsome bit of size, really.
I know, they are very big cats.
Actually about a foot long, aren't
Like
they?
Diane's cat.
Yeah, make Diane seem quite small, I'm
No,
lucky.
they are the biggest cats, domesticated ones, she said.
Yeah. Savannah's class as a wild cat, then, are they?
No,
Somewhat.
they're also probably not a lot smaller than Otter.
Oh, they'd be bigger than Otter. They're about a foot long or
No,
more,
because
some of
they're
these.
adults probably, he's only a baby.
Yeah, as I was saying, so
No,
I didn't know he was the
he's
biggest
only a
cat for
baby,
just one of them.
isn't he? He's still very big.
So when he gets bigger, older, then he'd probably be big as that one, bigger.
No, possibly. He's only a baby, don't forget.
Yeah.
He's very big for his age. He's only a baby and he's still as big as that.
Yeah. It's one kissing that woman that she's hugging him. Size of him, over a foot.
They are, they're very big.
Standing on that woman, but on there and that.
I know, they're like baby tigers anyway, aren't they?
Yeah.
Size of them.
Who argue one of those? You feel quite protected, one of them in the place, wouldn't you? She had several of them. Well, even one of those, very big. A normal cat they can protect someone. It's going in the water. Yeah. Very rare do like water, don't they? She's scared of it.
Like no,
well, it's not going properly there. It's put his paw in the bath, that one.
Are.
That's about a cat.
No, some cats do.
They're having a wash on that, you
some
see it.
Some hate it and some like it. Yeah. No,
You have to hear it when it's like recorded on that.
Some cats like water, some hate it. Just depends. Some cats hate water. Hate being wet, some of them.
Hear it, That's slightly different meow, but that's high pitch and they do sound different. Some cats being, like different on that. Not all cats meows exactly the same anyway. Some sound a bit deeper or less deep.
CBD tablet later.
Yeah. Hear it after that. You see him on there and that.
Yeah, I know. I'm a bit tired for a minute. I'll have to look in a minute.
In the bath on them, rolling around, I think, somewhere, playing with some thingy bob and that, rolling around and like dancing. That one you see there and that, we have a kit. Oh, lovely.
I know, they are, yeah.
Yeah.
Know,
Just for the cat made him all, all well on that. Yeah. They wouldn't put you off, would they? They'd frighten you because they're big.
No, of course they don't. Frighten of cats, of course they're not. No.
Rarest cat breeds in the world. Yeah, look at that video, I ate that one as well. I'll upload the video now, see how well it came out on that. I'll be souls.